Hi, my name is Keely Korn, and I'm an executive with Young Living Essential Oils. And I wanted to tell you a little bit about why I got started using essential oils with Young Living. Um, the deep reason why I use essential oils is that I believe that the living God created this earth for us to use and to care for it. He created plants for nourishment and for healing of our bodies. And he gave us essential oils from those plants to care for our bodies, both inside and out. And that is my deep sense of why. I have a little baby in the room. At a more practical level, our first introduction to essential oils was because my husband was taking just a daily over-the-counter allergy medicine, and when he would come off of it or forget to take it for a few days in a row, he would break out in hives. And we found out that that was one of the side effects of the medicine. And so he kind of said, if I'm going to break out in hives, this medicine is causing this in me, I don't want to be taking that. I don't want to take that every day in my body. And so I was been into natural things, and I thought, why don't we look into essential oils? And I had a friend who'd been telling me about them, and so I contacted her and said, do you have something that we could use? And she got me connected with the Young Living Premium Starter Kit. It had all the oils that I needed to meet our initial need, and it came with the diffuser. And so we got started with that, and we started to see improvements. And then we began moving into different products that also have the positive benefits of the essential oils and are using plants as their main ingredients. And so I wanted to know that when I'm reaching in my shower to grab soap to wash my body, that it's soap. I don't want chemicals, fragrances, harmful reproductive chemicals that are disrupting our reproductive system. There are lots of carcinogens in just our average day-to-day body washes, fragrances, everything. And honestly, I just want my body to be clean. I don't need all the other stuff. And so the essential oils added an added benefit because they have therapeutic benefits, and then they smell nice too. So you get a natural fragrance, and it's clean and it's healthy, and it's using the plants that God has given us. And so that is really the why with why I got started with Young Living, and why I continue to use Young Living almost 4 years now since I began. And if you'd like to know more about my journey, please feel free to leave comments, and I will get back to you. Thank you.